Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
So we are trying to put the TV over the fireplace, and my husband is up in the roof doing that portion of it right now. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. So the goal is to move it from here and get it here. Now, what he's doing out there, IDK. So what'd you figure out up there?
2 holes to go through. Took everything off?
I took the picture down. I wasn't sure what you wanted me to do.
So I'm trying to reroute one of the outlets in the game room. Reroute it and bring it here.
Okay. I'm gonna step back. You sure that's gonna all come off, honey?
Gotta go in that sledgehammer.
Oh my God, you gonna break it? We might need to keep that. We might need to keep that.
What?
Cause you know, keep it for wood that you can burn. I don't know.
I can burn it. It's still break.
Time for a pause break for me. One time for a pause break for me. House. Put on his protective gear. All right, this is what it was, y'all. All right, y'all, we have gotten everything kind of taped off and roped off because we're gonna be using a sprayer. Now honey is measuring for the new mantle that he's gonna put up there as well. And then we're gonna run to Home Depot and try to get this stuff to take care of. All right, we are here at the door section. My baby left his cart, so hopefully it don't get taken. Looking for new doors, exterior doors for our back door. Yeah. So we'll see. I'll let you know what we choose. All right, y'all, we have chosen the door. My phone is dying, so I don't know if we're gonna make it throughout the whole store, but we getting ready to go get some paint for the fireplace. And I am left with the basket while he go finds his stuff under. Bro, this is not the lick. Like, I am so squashed trying to get that door in there. Okay, just don't slide out, door. Go. 1, 2, 3.
You have to, yes.
It still hurts. calling people back out to come redo that. All right, we're getting there.
You see it closing?
We're getting there. Mm-hmm. We managed to get the door in, and we'll do this tomorrow. We got everything taped off. The only thing we need to do is go ahead and tape the little portion of the fireplace there, and we'll do that tomorrow. We're tired. Peace. We are back at it again. Honey went and got the replacement, what are these called, babe?
Trim.
Door trim. Oh man, that looks so much better than what it was before. Woo. And then I'll get to taping off stuff. So as we were painting, we're trying to make sure that it doesn't get onto the floor. So my husband's gonna actually just travel with that little piece of cardboard to make sure he can stuff it further up under the brick, just to ensure that it doesn't even get beyond the blue tape.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do.
Up top, you see it like up. You have to probably get on your ladder. We are doing a second coat. Just to make sure everything is good and dry, good and covered. So far, so good. I think the coverage was good the first time, but we just hit some light spots. Right there was one of those spots that's hard to get. So honey's going over that. I am so tired. I literally want to take a nap right now, but I should be painting the baseboards while he's gone so that we can try to get this done. But I'm freaking tired. And my body won't get out this chair. Like, it's like, no, just hold your head back and go to sleep.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality. everything you do. It's me who love you. Think
It's up there? All right. Mantle is attached. All right. Excuse me, I'm chewing hard. Honey taking down the old curtains because we're going to replace them with some new curtains. All right, so these are rods that I ordered from Amazon, as you can see. I think they were about, there might be a lot. I'll post it because I'm not sure, I don't remember. These are the curtains, which can't really see them just yet. So when I open them up, then you'll see exactly, I'll tell you and show you and probably leave a little clip of exactly what they are. But I wanted All right, y'all, it's been a long 3 days, but I am enjoying how everything turned out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If there was any question that I did not answer throughout the video that you may have wanted to know about something that I purchased, just let me know and leave me a comment and I'll reply to your comment. All right, y'all, I'm tired, so it's time to go to bed. Bye.